Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix CLS or Cumulative Layout Shift on your Shopify store. CLS is one of Google's core web vitals and it measures how much your page layout unexpectedly moves while it's loading. If you've ever tried to click a button and it suddenly shifts because an image or banner loaded late, that's a layout shift. A high CLS score creates a poor user experience and can negatively affect your SEO. Fortunately, there are a few simple ways to improve it. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Customize. Review your homepage and look for large banners, slideshows, image sections, or videos that load near the top of the page. These elements are common causes of layout shifts. If you don't need them, consider removing them or replacing them with a simpler section. Next, check your images. Make sure every image you upload has the correct dimensions and isn't much larger than it needs to be. Using properly sized images helps Shopify reserve space before they load, preventing content below from suddenly moving. You should also compress your images and use modern formats like WebP whenever possible. Another common cause of CLS is apps that display pop-ups, announcement bars, cookie banners, or promotional messages after the page has already loaded. Go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and review any apps that add floating elements to your storefront. Disable any features you don't need or adjust their settings so they don't push the page content down unexpectedly. If you've recently added custom code or third-party widgets, review those as well. Embedded videos, social media feeds, live chat widgets, and marketing scripts can insert content after the page loads, causing visible layout shifts. Removing unnecessary widgets or placing them lower on the page can help improve stability. After making your changes, preview your storefront on both desktop and mobile devices. Scroll through your homepage, product pages, and collection pages while they load. If the content stays in place without jumping around, you're moving in the right direction. Next, run your website through Google Page Speed Insights. The report includes your CLS score and may identify specific elements causing layout shifts. Test your homepage first, then check a few product pages to make sure the improvements apply across your store. It's also a good idea to keep your Shopify theme updated. Modern Online Store 2.0 themes often include performance improvements that help reduce layout shifts and provide a smoother browsing experience. As part of your regular maintenance, review your homepage whenever you add new banners, promotional sections, or apps. Even small additions can affect your CLS score if they load after the main content. Keeping your homepage clean and organized makes it easier to maintain good performance. Finally, remember that fixing CLS is only part of optimizing your Shopify store. When you combine a stable layout with optimized images, fewer unnecessary apps, fast-loading pages, and a lightweight theme, you'll create a much better experience for both customers and search engines. And that's it. That's how to fix cumulative layout shift issues on Shopify. By optimizing images, limiting layout-changing apps, reviewing third-party widgets, testing your pages regularly, and monitoring your core web vitals, you can build a faster and more stable online store. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.